Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful bag for you. So this is the Givenchy Infinity. It's in a lovely soft leather, you can see that's really nice and tactile. And I really like the shape of this, especially the handles. I think they're a really nice design. So we've got double top handles and then we've got a zip top closure. So I'll just show you how that zip works. It's still really nice and smooth, and we've got double zip pulls, a really nice chunky zip pulls as well, which I like. And then inside we've got one zipped pocket just here, so I'll just show you that zip. Again, still works really nicely and smoothly, and it's all a fabric lining on this interior. And then we've got another two flat pockets, so one flat pocket here and then another flat pocket there with an elasticated top too. And you can see on either side of that zip top closure we've got these little loops, and they are to attach the removable strap, which is also adjustable. So you can see on that buckle there, but I'll show you that a little bit more when I show you the size. So I'll just get that zipped back up. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior and the interior good. You can see that leather has been used before, because it is quite a soft leather. It's perhaps been a little bit squished, and you can see little crease lines along the back. Not so noticeable on the front, but you can see those crease lines on the back. And then there's just kind of a couple of small little marks, signs of wear all over that exterior. Again, really small and not hugely noticeable. You can see it on this handle here, where there's a bit of a white mark, and then just a little bit of a mark on the front there. So just small little marks. The corners actually are still in a nice condition. They are showing very minimal wear, and barely even rubbing actually on those corners. The most wear is on that corner here, so just on that front corner, but other than that, in a very nice condition. The interior is a similar situation, so there's no kind of particular marks for me to show you in there. You can just tell that it has been used before and it's had life. Actually, you can see that mark just here, but you can just tell that it has been used, so that is why we've called the interior good. But again, still in a really nice condition, and it's a similar situation with the hardware. We've called that good because there's just a little bit of wear on these zip pulls. They're not perhaps as shiny as the rest of that hardware, but for the most part it is in a really nice condition. There's no marks or anything on most of that hardware. Still got that lovely shiny silver tone, so that is why we've called it good all around. So it comes with, again, that removable strap, and then we've got the Givenchy dust bag, and then we also have this little Givenchy envelope, and inside there we've got the leather swatch, and then we have the care card as well. So the exact measurements for this bag will be in the link in the description below, so click that link to find a few more details on the bag. There's also the link to shop this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you do click that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that doesn't mean it has sold. However, we have a request list that you can get onto, so if this is your kind of thing, just let us know, send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list, and that just means as soon as we get in another one, we'll send you through the link to shop in an email, and hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list, exact measurements from the website. I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". And with those double top handles, it looks really, really gorgeous with that longer strap. And I'll show you how that attaches, because I quite like the design of the way this attaches. So it's really nice and easy to attach that attach that removable strap. So you can see on these loops, we've got that little notch just there, and then we've got the same little notch on the strap, and it just slides nice and easily through there like that. And then that is really nice and secure. So I like that design because you can see it's not just going to slide out of there. It's a really nice secure attachment. And I'll show you that again on the other side. So we've got that little notch on the loop and it just slides through. So I'll show you, just slides through like that. And then again, that's really nice and secure. And then you've got a lovely shoulder strap as well. which makes it a little bit easier for on the go. And I think this is a really gorgeous bag, again in a really nice soft movable leather, and roomy enough that you could use it kind of as an everyday bag or even as an overnight bag. It's just gorgeous. So if you would like to find more details on it, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling any of your beautiful Armcandy. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through there. Like this video as well while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any of the beautiful bags that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.